Every month, you pay your bills, and the balance doesn't move. Sometimes it grows. You're making money, but the debt isn't shrinking, and you can't figure out why the math doesn't work. The problem isn't that you don't know you have debt. The problem is you don't know which number to attack first. Sam made $52,000 a year. He had 3 credit cards totaling $11,000, a car loan at $14,000, and medical debt at $3,000. For 18 months, he paid minimums on everything, $500 total per month, but interest ate $300 of it. He was putting in $500, the debt was only dropping by $200. His mistake was simple. He was spreading his extra money across all debts equally, $50 here, $30 there. It looked fair, but it accomplished nothing. Sam stopped treating debt like one big number. He started treating it like 5 separate problems. He realized something practical. Paying off one debt completely frees up its minimum payment. That minimum becomes extra money for the next debt, without earning more. This isn't motivation, it's compound leverage. Every debt you close makes the next one fall faster. Sam listed every debt with 3 numbers: total balance, minimum payment, and interest rate. Then he ignored the interest rates. He ranked them smallest to largest by total balance. The medical bill at $3,000 went first, not because it felt good, because it would die fastest and free up its $70 minimum. He kept paying minimums on the other 4 debts. Every spare dollar went to that medical bill. $200 extra one month, $300 the next. 4 months later, the medical debt was gone. Now he had an extra $70 per month that used to go there. He added it to the minimum he was already paying on the smallest credit card. Before, he was paying $80 minimum on that card. Now he was paying $150. The balance started dropping noticeably. Next, Sam tracked 1 week of spending without changing anything, just wrote it down. He found he was spending $430 a month on things he didn't remember buying: lunches at work, convenience store stops, streaming services he forgot existed. He didn't cut everything, he cut the things he genuinely didn't care about. 2 subscriptions, $93. Reduced work lunches from 5 times a week to twice, another $120 saved. That's $213 a month redirected to debt without feeling deprived. Sam then called his credit card companies. He asked each one, "Can you lower my rate?" No backstory, no begging, just the question. 2 said no. 1 lowered his rate from 21% to 17%. That saved him $37 in interest the first month alone. Over a year, that's $444 staying in his account instead of going to the bank. The mistake most people make here is not asking. They assume the answer is no. Sometimes it is, but sometimes it isn't, and that phone call takes 4 minutes. Sam also stopped using credit cards completely. He didn't close them. That would hurt his credit score. He put them in a drawer and started using a debit card. For 2 weeks, this felt restrictive. Then he realized something. His spending dropped by 18% without trying. Credit cards created a mental delay between buying and paying. Debit cards made it immediate. The last thing Sam did was add small income on the side. Not a second job, just friction income. He sold things he didn't use, worked 4 extra hours one Saturday a month, did freelance work twice. This brought in an extra $180 to $250 a month. Not consistent, but over a year it added $2,400 to his debt payments. Most people skip this because it sounds hard, but selling 10 things on Marketplace takes 3 hours total. That's $80 an hour tax-free if you clear $800, better than most side jobs. After 8 months, Sam stopped debating purchases. The system made decisions for him. Is there extra money this month? It goes to debt. Not because he's disciplined, because that's what the system does. He built a structure, and the structure runs itself. People think behavior follows identity. Usually it's backwards. Sam became someone who pays off debt by paying off debt. The identity came after. 2 years later, Sam isn't debt-free yet. He's paid off $17,000 of $28,000. But here's what changed. When he opens his banking app now, he sees progress. The number is still there, but it's smaller every single month. The debt didn't get lighter because Sam changed how he felt about it. It got lighter because he changed what he did about it. You don't need motivation. You need to know which debt dies first and put every available dollar there until it's gone. Then move to the next one. That's not inspiration. That's just math that works.